How's it going, everyone? I just want to start this off by saying, just to give a shout out to my friend Ketz for putting these weekend studies together, because they have just been absolute money. Okay, and this week was no different, right? And you know, we put these things out every weekend for our members. Every Saturday or Sunday, and it's basically just like a plan for the week ahead, you know, how to plan out your week, right? And it doesn't take a lot of time. All you got to do is read through here. We give an analysis on the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, usually volatility, and then about, 4 to 5 stocks that, you can put on your watch list that you can either, make a trade off of, whether that be long or short, right? And we break it all down for you guys, right? And we give that out to all our members every weekend, okay? So, honestly, like, you can make a living and you can make your own trades based off of this study. You don't have to, follow anyone else's trade alerts or, do a bunch of like extra homework. Like we lay it all out here for you, right? We plot the levels, we say, you can take a long here at 4,200 with the stop loss here and a target here, right? And it either hits or it doesn't. More times than not, it does hit, right? Or, you can take these, SPY puts here for this expiration at this price, and I would look to get out at this price, right? Pretty simple, right? You can just, wait for the trigger, let it sit, put your OCO order in and set it and forget it, right? It honestly doesn't take you that much time to go through these, right? So I implore anyone to come check out our group if you're not in it, and if you are in the group, read through this study every weekend, guys, because it's very helpful, right? I mean, don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. We make it as simple as we can for you guys. So real quick, I want to go over our analysis of the S&P 500, right? And you can pause the video and read all of these. Word for word if you want, and cross-check them and go back through the charts. But, for the S&P 500 for ES, we were pretty bearish over the weekend, and we got that breakdown that we were looking for, okay? We were looking for, like we said here, 4,200 is lost. We're looking for 4,100 to get tagged, and we exactly got that, right? And we also called out the 225, 425 puts, for about 3.0. So you see what happened here. We lost 4,200, and look where we went, 4,101, and then bounced from there, right? So, reading that study would have helped you out a lot, right? You could have made a lot of money by going short on that break of 4,200, okay? And then here's those puts, right? Those went from 2.5 to 3.0 all the way up to 15 at the open, and we told everyone that we closed those at the open. So that's a 5x move, right? So if you had $1,000 of those, you just made you turned that into $5,000. So not bad at all, right? And volatility, VIX, we had called out the 32.50 to 35 area possibly getting tagged, and look where it hit. It hit 34, right? So, and then we also called out Amazon, right? Talked about a possible swing down to the 2,700 area, right? And then we had called out puts for 318, 2510 strike at about 9.0 each. And you can see Amazon went down to 2777, right? And then those puts I talked about went all the way up to 30 at the open. So a nice 3x move there from 9 to 30. Not bad, right? And again, we took those off right at the open. And you see we got that big rally from there. And we actually called out Amazon calls, the 3,000 strikes. And those went 20 to 100. So 5x move. So you could have caught a 3x move down and then a 5x move up. This market has just been absolutely crazy. Tesla, we called out Tesla as well, looking for a test of 790, right? And sorry, we were looking for that 745 level actually, and then we called out those 225, 155 puts. There's 720, 225 puts for 155, right? So you see Tesla hit 740 and much more, and actually hit 691, right? So those puts, oh my God, those went to 32 at the open. I mean, that's $3,000 off of just $200. That's insane. That's over a 10x move. So, there's a lot of value here, guys. Microsoft, same scenario. We're bearish on this one. Looking for a test of 274. We had called out March 18th, 260 puts for 280. And you can see Microsoft gap down to 270, right? So hit the target and then some. And then those puts went up to 678, okay? So those went a little bit more than a double, right? So not bad, nothing like the other ones, but still a good play. Nvidia, okay? We were looking for a test of 212, and we got that and then some at 206, right? And then we talked about the 237.50 puts for Friday. Those went from about, what is that? About 6 to 28, almost about 4x move, right? So again, not bad at all. Okay, so much value that we provide here, guys, and this is just something. To me, if you're going to be trading, this is something that you guys need to have in your toolbox, right? We're going to offer this. We offer this to all our members in our premium package. Right now, it's only $40 a month. Hurry up and sign up as soon as you can, because we're going to be increasing the price to that. But I'm also thinking about offering, if this is all you guys want, we can do, just a weekend study for $10 a month, right? You can take your own trades based off of our study, and, it's only going to cost you $10 a month, right? So check this stuff out, guys. Hit me up in the comment section, or I'll put the link in the description, and you guys can head on over to the Discord, and we'll hook you up. All right? Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.